Hello, how can I help?
I lost my wallet today near the park cafe.
What does it look like?
Small, brown, leather, with a silver zip.
Any ID inside?
Yes, my driver's license and my student card.
All right, we'll make a report. If someone brings it, we'll call you.
Thank you so much. How did Emma find her wallet? You'll hear real English conversation as she searches for it with her friend Ryan. Listen carefully. You'll learn useful phrases, improve your speaking skills, and see how kindness can make a bad day better. Fluent English practice. Ryan, I can't find my wallet.
Your wallet? When did you last see it?
I think, maybe at the coffee shop.
The one near the park?
Yes, that one. I paid for my drink, then we walked here.
Okay, let's think. You paid, took your coffee, and left. Did you put it back in your bag?
I thought I did, but now it's not there.
Check your pockets again.
I already did. It's not in my jeans or jacket.
Maybe it fell on the table.
Oh no, maybe.
Don't worry. Let's go back to the coffee shop.
Good idea. Maybe someone found it.
Are you sure you had it today?
Yes, I used it this morning to buy breakfast.
Okay, so you had it then.
Yes, and I remember paying for the coffee too.
So it must be there.
I really hope so.
What color is your wallet?
It's brown leather, small, with a silver zip.
Got it. I'll help you look.
Thanks. Ryan, you're always calm.
Someone has to be.
Excuse me. Hi. Did anyone find a wallet here?
What color?
Brown, small, leather.
I'm sorry, I didn't see one. You can check with our manager.
Sure. Thank you. Hi. Are you the manager?
Yes. Can I help you?
I think I lost my wallet here earlier.
Oh dear. What time were you here?
About an hour ago.
Did you sit inside or outside?
Inside. By the window.
Let me check our lost and found box.
Thank you so much. Few minutes later.
I'm sorry. There's no wallet here.
Oh no.
Maybe someone took it to the police station.
That happens sometimes. You can check the nearby station.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
Let's go there next.
Yeah. Let's not give up yet.
Don't worry, Emma. Things like this happen.
I know, but I had my ID and my bus card inside.
Did you have any cash?
Only about $20.
That's not too bad. You'll get new cards soon.
Still, it feels terrible.
I understand. Losing something important always feels bad.
What if someone uses my cards?
Call your bank. Block them right now.
Yes, good idea.
I'll wait while you call.
Hello, I lost my wallet. Please block my card. yes, my name is Emma Lewis. Thank you.
Done?
Yes. They said they'll send a new one next week.
Good. One problem solved.
I just hope someone honest finds it.
Look, we're almost at the police station.
Should I report it?
Yes. They'll record your name and wallet details.
Okay, I'll do it.
Hello, how can I help?
I lost my wallet today near the park cafe.
What does it look like?
Small, brown, leather, with a silver zip.
Any ID inside?
Yes, my driver's license and my student card.
All right, we'll make a report. If someone brings it, we'll call you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, officer.
Well, that's all we can do for now.
Yes. Let's go sit in the park for a bit.
Maybe I dropped it near the bench we sat on earlier.
Great idea. Let's check there.
This is the bench.
See anything on the ground?
Just some leaves. No wallet.
Wait, what's that near the trash can?
Oh my gosh. That's my wallet.
Really? Let me see.
Yes. My name is on the card inside.
You're lucky, Emma.
I can't believe it's here.
Maybe it fell out when you took your phone out.
Probably. I'm so happy right now.
Check if everything's still inside.
Let's see. ID, bus card, cash, yes, it's all here.
That's amazing.
Ryan, thank you for helping me.
Of course. Friends help each other.
I was so scared.
Losing something teaches us to be more careful next time.
True. I'll keep it in my inside pocket from now on.
Good plan. And maybe don't carry all your cards at once.
Right. Just the important ones.
So, what now? Coffee again?
No way. I've had enough coffee for one day.
Okay. How about some juice? My treat.
You are the best.
Seriously though, it's great that you found it.
I know. I feel like I got a second chance.
Imagine if someone kind had found it.
I would have wanted to thank them so much.
There are still good people in the world.
Yes. I'll try to be one of them too.
You already are, Emma.
Thanks. Ryan, you always know what to say.
I just tell the truth.
Maybe I'll post about this.
On social media?
Yeah, maybe something like, don't panic if you lose something. Stay calm and look carefully.
That's a good message.
People need reminders like that.
True. Sometimes small stories help others.
Exactly. I used to laugh when people said, check again. Now I understand.
You checked 5 times.
And it was right here all along.
That's life.
At least we got some exercise walking around.
And free stress training.
You're funny. Next time I'll make copies of my ID.
Smart. Keep them at home.
Yes. You never know what can happen.
But today ended well.
It did. And I learned something.
What did you learn?
Stay calm, think clearly, and check everywhere before you panic.
Excellent advice.
And have a good friend like you.
That's the best part.